Hi, and welcome to the video on Venn diagrams. By the end of this video, you should be able to create and read a Venn diagram. So let's take a look. Venn diagrams get to tell us a lot of information. Let's take, for example, we wanted to know all the people that liked basketball or math. And I took a survey of 100 people and I found out that 40 people like basketball and 60 people like math. But what about the people that cross over? So what if I asked the same question, but this time I said you can choose both? Here I've got a lot of information being told to me in this Venn diagram. For example, let's look in the bottom right hand corner. I've shrunk it down a little bit and we can answer these four questions. How many people liked basketball? It might look like the answer is 20, but there is 20 and there is 30 people in that Venn diagram. That 30 people represents the number of people that like both basketball and math. So altogether, the number of people that like basketball is 50. What about how many people that like mathematics? Well, it's the same thing. This circle represents all the people that like mathematics. There's 50 that like math and 30 that like math and basketball. Altogether, 80 people. How many people like just mathematics? Well, we can look at this circle that represents all of mathematics, and then there's this little circle that represents both. Now, these people that like both don't like just mathematics. So we're only looking for the 50 in this answer. So 50 is the number of people that just like mathematics. Finally, how many people like both? Well, I've been talking about it throughout these questions. The people that like both include the ones that are inside maths and the one that are inside basketball, and they cross over. This 30 is the number of people that like both math and basketball. Let's try and draw one from a written question. In a group of 30 students, 10 people played tennis and cricket. 5 play only cricket and 7 play only tennis. Draw this in a Venn diagram. We start off with a rectangle which represents the universe, that is, everybody in this group of 30 students. Then we need two circles, one for tennis and one for cricket. Now, where they cross over is the number of people that play tennis and cricket, so the number 10 goes inside there. 5 people play only cricket, so 5 has to go into the circle that has cricket in it, but not where they cross over. And 7 play only tennis, so 7 goes on the left-hand side. Now that we've done that, we can actually answer a few questions like, how many people play cricket? Well, inside this circle is the number of people who play cricket, so it's 15. How many people play tennis? Number of people inside this circle is tennis, so that's 7 and 10, which is 17. Here's an interesting question though. How many play neither tennis or cricket? Well, looking at this diagram, it only tells me the people who play tennis and who play cricket, but that's okay. This number of people, 7, 10, and 5, play tennis or cricket or tennis and cricket. Everybody outside the circle is going to be the people who answer this question. Now, there are 22 people inside these circles, and in the question it says a group of 30 students. So if 22 are inside the circles, this means that 8 have to be outside the circle, inside the rectangle. So 8 play neither. What should you write? Well, a heading of Venn diagrams and this question, as well as the Venn diagram that we drew together. And that's it. Hopefully now you know how to create a Venn diagram and read one, and you'll get plenty of practice in class tomorrow. Good luck.